Hi, I am Pranay, and along with my teammates Sneha and Manika from Team 50s United, we are proud to present our project CodeSage. CodeSage helps in significant reduction of coding and debugging time for developers with the help of an inbuilt editor and compiler that helps the developer to understand existing code bases, debug their code, optimize their code, identify potential security vulnerabilities in the code, and also judge the quality and complexity of the code. Through the use of OpenAI's revolutionary and groundbreaking GPT 3.5 Turbo and is built using T3 stack. Let's have a demo of our platform CodeSage. So, as you can see, we have a very intuitive front end which is based on T3 stack, and we have used a TypeScript to build this on. So, we also have a login functionality, as you can see, and uh, there's also a chatbot if you want to ask. This also uses the ChatGPT. Now we have also have light and the dark scheme mode as well. So let's start. Now let's suppose if we want to first type in. So obviously since the console log is not available in Python, it should throw an error, and it does. So if we select the JavaScript and if we try to run, it prints that. And if we go to Python, let's do a print hello world. As you can see, it does print there. So let's clear the terminal. Now let's suppose I have a code which basically does sum of even numbers, okay, and till from 1 to 100. So if I just try to run this, it just shows me 2450. Now if I want to ask CodeSage what does my code do, so CodeSage replies with me what the code does and in detail. If I want to ask, is there a optimized solution for this? So it does give me an optimized solution for finding the sum of even numbers from 1, 0 to n minus 1. So as you can see, this is pretty much a very straightforward and a convenient formula, and it does save me time here. Okay, so if I want to ask what is the overall complexity and quality of my code, it does analyze the code, and it takes a bit of a time as it goes through the OpenAI's GPT. As you can see, it shows that the code, like the complexity of my code is OL, and with like it, since it uses the loop. Okay, so if I want to ask, like if there's an alternate way to achieve the same functionality, it takes a bit of a time to analyze the code, and then it shows me like there are several alternate ways to achieve the same thing, and it does even show me the code. Pretty cool, right? So if I want to ask, is there an even more efficient algorithm to achieve the same? So it does show me there's an even more efficient algorithm. As you can see, it does show me in the real time, and yeah, that's pretty much it. CodeSage can be a game changer, and some of the segments that CodeSage would target are big tech firms, where it could improve the productivity of the employees, startups with less manpower for coding, where it could prove substantially well in the product building, and third is the coding schools, where it is crucial for students to learn while coding.